morning. I'd like to introduce y'all to my puppy. This is Sweetie. I've had her 10 years. She's been with me through thick and thin. She's a real good dog. She stays right by my side most of the time. More than I could say for a lot of people, you know. I'm down visiting family, so I'm trying to be quiet. Y'all excuse me, I have allergies. But anyway, this little dog means more to me than most people. And if something happens to her, if she don't feel good, I will do anything I can to make her feel better, to make her better. Like, if a person doesn't have a lot of money, if I had a choice between taking her to the vet or eating or paying my light bill, guess who would go to the vet? This one. That's who. No. I feel like if you get a dog, you should do everything in your power to take care of that dog and to keep that dog healthy and happy. Yeah, see, this dog here is a little bit of a chunk, but she's happy and she's healthy. And I tell you, I found her on Craigslist. Come here, pups. They want to see your pretty face. Okay. We found her on Craigslist. This man was giving her away. Somebody went off and left her in the house and moved away and left her alone in the house. And so now she has issues with people leaving, which you can't blame her, right? You cannot blame her. And like if I'm going on a trip and she sees me packing a suitcase, she gets all fretful. But when I start packing her stuff, it's okay. She knows she gets to go. But there's not too many places that she don't get to go, really. If I do my dead level best to take her, because I love her and I don't like her to be unhappy. Anyway, they went off and left her, and he rescued her out of the house, and he has a bunch of cats, and big old fat cats too, not just regular cats. And she's scared to death to this day of cats. She's really scared of them. So we don't have a cat. But anyway, this is my best friend right here. This is my little shadow. And I thank the good Lord for her. And that's all I got today, guys.